So I don't know if anyone remembers a while back that there were some articles that had come out about Shoppers Drug Mart. Basically, what they were doing is they were calling up patients and they were doing medication checks where they basically were going over all their medications if there was any issues or concerns or, if there was dosage concerns or side effects or anything else, right? And as it turned out, Shoppers Drug Mart was charging Ohip for this without letting patients know that that's what the services were and that they would be charging Ohip for it. So I remember reading those articles and thinking to myself, yeah, I remember the pharmacy calling me and they didn't tell me that it was an Ohip service so that it was being charged. I just thought it was a free service that they were offering and, interesting. So the other day I go pick up my prescriptions and lo and behold, there was a form attached to them. Now, I can't show you the whole thing because it's got my information on it, but it says MedCheck Patient Acknowledgement, a professional pharmacy service. It says MedChecks. It's got the Ontario Ministry of Health and Long-Term Care on there. And I'll show you the bottom part. So it comes with all of your information on it. And then it shows all of the services that they will basically be charging Ohip for, or could be potentially charging Ohip for, like a medchecks annual follow-up, diabetes annual, diabetes education follow-up, and so on and so forth. And then you're supposed to sign it and provide it back to Shoppers Drug Mart. Now, what I found interesting is that nobody, when they were checking me out, mentioned this form to me. It was just attached. Nobody told me anything about it. No one said anything. It was just there attached to my prescriptions. Now, as far as I'm concerned, I have all of my cognitive faculties. I don't need Shoppers Drug Mart to go over my medications with me. If I have any problems with my medications, I will go to my doctor. I do think it's a great service to provide for seniors or maybe people that do have quite a bit of more complicated medications. But why in the world they're not having a discussion with people and explaining what it is and why it would be important to sign it and provide, it still feels like they're being sneaky. Like, we're just adding this form, we're going to get you to read it and not explain it. Like, if it's such a valuable service, why are you not explaining it to people? Like, I don't know, something still feels really weird and off about it, but I won't be signing it because I don't need it. In the future, when I'm older and losing my mind, sure, great, it would be very helpful. But if I have any medication problems, I'd speak with my doctor about it, not Shoppers Drug Mart.